Hi everyone, this is Andy from FeedAdder. One of the questions that I've been hearing more frequently is how to do A/B testing on the Marketo emails that you're generating with FeedAdder's automated emailing feature. The good news is it's really easy to do this. But let's dive in and walk through an example of how we can actually add a Marketo A/B test onto an email that's generated by FeedAdder. We'll first look at an automated email. So I'm going to edit the campaign for one of my automated emails. And here you can see I have a very standard blog notification email set up. If I look in my integrations tab, we'll take note that the automation level is set to semi-automated. And what this means is that FeedAdder is going to only create an email when it runs and not actually send it. And that's important because we want to add some tests to this email rather than have it actually scheduled and sent out automatically. So if you're running your campaign fully automatic, as many of you are, you may want to untick this send email box if you want to do an A/B test. So we've unchecked it and we're going to return to the dashboard. We've now waited and let FeedAdder run its automated email. So we can go into Marketo and see that our FeedAdder automation has generated a new email program and email waiting for us. Now, because we put FeedAdder in a semi-automated mode, FeedAdder has not sent the email. You probably received a notification that this email was built, but nothing else has been done. And that's because it's waiting for you to approve it manually and or add that A/B test that we're talking about. So let's go ahead and add the A/B test. Here, we've set up 3 variations on the subject line that we're going to test. The default, which was new blog post with the title of the post. We have just the title of the post, and we'll put the day of the week in there to add a little extra personalization and timeliness to the email. And let's send this and see which one performs the best. In the same way, you could easily set up A/B tests against the entire email, different from addresses, or send times, using Marketo's built-in A/B testing functionality. It's very easy. Now that your A/B test has been added, you can go ahead and improve the program to commence the sending of this particular email and its test. Nothing else changes. FeedAdder's automation will continue to run just as you would expect. You can pause it at any time, of course, using the dashboard, but otherwise you can let it run and it will continue to send the automated emails on the schedule that you've defined. You can use the results from your A/B test to make changes to your FeedAdder campaign to optimize sending so that the most people receive, open, and engage with your email. And that's it. In this example, I hope I've shown how easy it is to use Marketo's A/B testing functionality to add tests and run tests on the emails that FeedAdder is automating for you. Just another great way to use FeedAdder with your Marketo instance. And as always, thanks for being a FeedAdder customer. And if you're not a customer, please visit feedadder.com and sign up for a free trial and check it out today.